Hey guys, Alex from Alpha Kilo Warrior. I'm a passenger in November 33121, Archer, based out of Hartford, Brainerd, part of Kappa Flight Club. Jeff D is pilot in command, and we are cruising southbound over Long Island about 5,500 feet. Unfortunately, I forgot to hit the record button on the GoPro when we departed Hartford, so you missed out on, we missed out on some amazing cockpit audio gold. Jeff and I had back and forth on the way down, so insert sad face emoji. That's why I'm doing the voiceover for you guys right now. Anyways, we're heading to Block Island, Rhode Island. Enjoy the approach. It's a southern approach on the south side of the island, and we're entering a left downwind for runway 28. The field elevation is 108 feet, and the runway is 2,500 feet long by 100 feet wide. The landing fee today was about $10, and we stopped in for lunch and took a taxi down to the public beach and spent about a couple hours there in Block Island and hung out. Listened to the waves coming in. I had my moment of zen, which this was on Monday this week in December, and we kind of had the whole island to ourselves. So hang out and enjoy the ride. And I got to fly the Archer back home, and I'll toss in some departure footage at the end of the video. So sit back, strap yourselves in, and enjoy the show. Located about 3 miles southeast of Block Island, the Block Island Wind Farm is the first offshore wind farm in the United States. It consists of 5 turbines, each standing 590 feet tall. The farm generates 30 megawatts of power, enough to supply about 17,000 homes. This groundbreaking project has positioned Block Island as a leader in renewable energy and a model for future offshore wind projects in the United States. A fisherman by the name of John Skinner's Fishing for the video in this. I left a link to his video in the description. Block Island is known for its stunning natural landscapes, including beautiful beaches, rugged cliffs, and diverse ecosystem. The island is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts, with excellent opportunities for hiking, biking, and birdwatching. The Block Island National Wildlife Refuge covers most of the island's northern and western areas, offering sanctuary to migrating birds and a variety of wildlife species. The island's Mohegan Bluffs, towering 200 feet above the Atlantic Ocean, offers some of the most scenic views. One of the island's most iconic landmarks is the Southwest Lighthouse, which has been guiding ships since 1875. Perched atop the Mohegan Bluffs, the lighthouse offers visitors a glimpse into the island's maritime history. It was moved in 1993 to prevent it from falling off the eroding cliff. Today it's open to the public for tours, and visitors can climb to the top for breathtaking views of the surrounding waters. Now we're recording.
All right, don't forget you have the brake.
Yep. Brakes off. Block Island traffic, Archer 33121 is taxiing onto runway 28, back taxiing for departing on runway 28. We'll be heading to northwest. Block.
Wesley, traffic Islander, shoreline left base 25 West.
What's this runway length?
2,800? 25. It's
right.
short.
I'm going to do a short field takeoff.
Yeah, I usually do. Getting a little lighter with
Flaps
the
1,
over.
flaps 2. Nose wheel straight, feet on the brakes,
Coming right at your face.
full power. Looking for 60. There's 60 right there. Flaps 1. 80. Positive rate of climb. Flaps clean. Full power. Trim up for 80.
West traffic, the Islanders turn a final 25 West.
For Hundo.
Yeah, she wants to fly, huh?
Block Island traffic, Archer 33121 is on the go. We are departing the departure leg. We're at 600 climbing out, heading northwest, or Block Island. Alright, we're coming up to 750. Come on a little bit more. I got our 900, 800. Block Island traffic, correction, Archer 33121. We'll be turning left and we'll be doing climbing over the field to 4,500 block. Block Island traffic, Archer 33121 is turning left crosswind. Runway 28 will be climbing above the field, 4,500 block. Let's do that instead.
Straight in for 3.
There's a beach we were on.
Yep, that's it, man.
Got that sea glass.
I can't believe how much. I've never seen that much. Just because there's not many people here. Summertime, if you don't get down there, it's 6 o'clock in the morning.
Such a beautiful view. Nice and smooth too.
Yeah.
Block Island traffic, Archer 33121 is on the approach end of runway 28 up at 3,100. We'll be climbing a little bit more before we head over to back to Connecticut. Block.
Yeah, that looks good.
I like this here. We'll just keep.
That's perfect.
Yeah, just do one little lap
It's
here.
safe, you know.
On traffic, we're turning left base 32 miles.
That place is kind of like a ghost town in the winter, huh?
Yeah.
I love it, though. Yeah, he told me there's like 100 freshwater ponds on Block, something crazy like that.
Providence Approach, Archer 33121, 1 mile northwest of Block Island. Requesting advisories to Hartford, please. 4,500.
Archer 33121, Providence Approach, say again the destination.
Hartford for Archer 33121.
Archer 33121, the queue, squawk 0363.
0363, Archer 33121.
Archer 33121, with a contact 2 miles southwest of the Boston Island Airport, altimeter 3006. Again, your altitude, please.
3006, 4,500 for Archer 33121.
Roger, thank you.
I see now you're cranking.
Yeah, that was that climb.
Yeah.
Not too bad. All right, I'm going to throttle back a little bit here. All right, electric fuel pumps off. Landing lights off. Wingtip lights is off.
And go to heading or track. There you go. And that's the heading. I don't know what the other thing is. I'm still learning.
What did you hit?
I hit it one more time to get over to heading.
Okay.
Or you can do track too. I'm not sure what the other thing was.
Yeah, I like
but
it.
But now you're flying with the heading bug.
Good afternoon, altimeter 3006.
And it's the same with the track.
Yeah, baby.
And an altitude hold, hit it, and when you see the trim thing go up or down,
Contact New York Approach,
you go up a couple seconds or down, and then turn it off and see the pressure. You'll be like, damn, that does need help.
923, missed the call.
And it even makes a noise in your headset, by the way.
All right, this is kind of neat.
Yeah, you're done, man. You let this thing fly you back to Hartford. The trims are
and exit 923
really
and
slow
lead
for some reason.
call sign company exit 593 Dallas frequency.
All right, he's going to hand us off to Bradley, so I'm going to get Bradley in 123.95.
23.95.
Point tree, 95, Fife. Greg Fife. All right, we're at 4,000.
Exit 593, just set to maintain 2,000.
All right, look at the gauges. Oil pressure's good, oil temperature's good, fuel pressure is good, fuel pumps off, landing lights off, anti-collisions is on, beacon's on. We are leaned. Thank you for the leanage. My lean master.
Okay, I'll even go back.
We have a happy aircraft.
The RNAV 23 or the visual 23?
125 indicated, miles per hour, 112 ground speed.
Speed 447 to set to maintain 5,000. Executive 593, did you want the RNAV?
Flying the new bird.
I can't wait till we get the new engine. This thing's going to be, it's going to be fast.
You're going to have to give it a name.
What, the engine?
Well, the aircraft after that, it's a brand new body, right? What do you
call the engine? Peppy or something.
Peppy? Do you give it like an
Spanish?
Call her like Arch or anything?
No, I never did name it.
Okay. Maybe we should vote as a club for a name.
Damn, you got that thing trimmed out perfect. It hasn't called for anything. But it works great. I mean, you go to Florida like this.
The heat feels nice too on my feet. I like it though. Oh,
yeah.
Nice and toasty.
I got a little nervous when we had that headwind. I'm like, damn, that's a lot colder on my feet. But I'm like, I'll tough it out. Just walk a little faster.
Did you know departure time by any chance?
No, I didn't.
Okay.
I just know we have a ton of fuel.
All right.
I did text somebody, though. Did I do that? I texted her 4 minutes prior to our departure. That was... Oh, it doesn't tell me, I guess. Oh, 2:05. So that was 17 minutes ago.
Okay. So.
But we were running a little bit before that.
We'll swap for 15 minutes from now. We'll swap.
Well, this will tell you it's as well.
Oh,
yeah.
Swap. Thanks, my dude.
Yep. Message. It just flashes message.
Thank you. Thank you, 430, for helping out. It's a good crew.
Oh yeah. It's just one less thing you have to think. Even though you're all over it, once you get into low wings, you just get a feel for that every half hour.
Yeah.
So, walking on the beach, found all this sea glass, and leave me a comment. Let me know if this guy's a grandma now that he's picking sea glass. It's kind of cool.